Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can change cursor color and cursor size. So here you can see color is white. If you want to change this cursor color in Windows 11, then here you can go and search for cursor. Then here you can see change the mouse pointer display or speed. You can go here, and after that here you can see buttons, pointers, pointer options, wheel and hardware. So you need to go here, pointers, and here you can see different options. So now if you want to change it into the black color, here you can see three sizes, so extra large, large and system scheme. So let me select this one, and for the extra large here you can see this one, then click on apply button. So in this way you can easily change cursor color in your Windows laptop.